You already know that success on Etsy starts with getting seen, and getting seen starts with having the right keywords. But how do you actually know which keywords are working, which ones are trending, and which ones lead to actual sales? Today, I'll be showing you how to identify high trending and high converting keywords using eRank's keyword tool, and how you can use this data to pick winning keywords or even ideas for new products to make. Over at eRank, we're constantly looking for new ways to help sellers get one step closer to understanding buyer behavior. That way, you can cater your tags and titles toward the shoppers who are most willing to buy. And to make this easier, we have two badges that you should keep an eye out for when performing research. The first is the Trending in Search badge. This badge will display at the top of the keyword tool when a keyword has seen a spike in popularity over the last 7 days. Meaning shoppers are actively searching for this term more than usual. And this is awesome for catching seasonal trends right as they're heating up. For example, when we search Halloween in the keyword tool, we can already see this badge right at the top, telling us that now is the perfect time to get those Halloween listings up and running. Identifying a Trending in Search badge can help us to better understand when seasonal and holiday searches begin, as well as when an all-new trend begins making an appearance. The second badge is even more exciting, and that's the High Conversion badge. I cannot stress how important seeing this badge is when performing keyword research, because this tells us that shoppers who searched for this keyword didn't just browse, they bought. This gives us a clear signal of purchase intent behind a search query. Just having a high search volume for a keyword doesn't necessarily mean people are actually buying based on their search. A keyword could get 10,000 monthly searches and still lead to 0 sales if buyers are just window shopping. But with the High Conversion badge, we have visibility into which keywords are sending real paying customers to listings, not just those who are browsing for fun. Back to our example, when we search Halloween in the keyword tool, we see both the Trending in Search badge and the High Conversion badge. This tells us that not only are shoppers searching for Halloween products right now, they're buying them in May, right now. If that's not your cue to list your spooky season items ASAP, I don't know what is. Whether you're preparing for summer, the autumn spooky season, or if you just want to get a better grip on what's actually working in your niche, these badges are great for understanding buyer behavior and how well the keywords you're using may convert. Is it always necessary to use them? Not necessarily, but if you happen to discover one that is related to your item, it may be a good idea to experiment with this keyword in your title and tags. Or use these badges to identify quick wins when doing product research, so you can decide which items and themes to put time and energy into developing. Or use these badges to keep an eye on upcoming holidays. That way, you know exactly when to begin listing items in anticipation of their intended season. Let us know in the comments if you've noticed these badges when doing keyword research with eRank. And as always, be sure to click the subscribe button for even more eRank tutorials from the team. And join Pam Duthie and I live every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern for our weekly Q&A right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.